दोनशे किलोमीटर युनिट कोणाक फ्री दितात त्या थोड्या लोकांक that same burden is already put on the shoulders of the middle class people, and the prices are much more. And plus that in Delhi, that electricity that they get is is formed by the private organization. There's a private company who's making a profit. In Goa, they are not making a profit. They are giving subsidized rate. They are buying for higher price and they are giving for low price as per slabs. So where the question of free? In fact, it's good as free because they are giving subsidized rates to domestic as well as to commercial and also to our industries. Sometimes industry to suffer. Can the domestic light to industry transport, which is not correct. So overall, in fact, I think in the country, Goa is the cheapest as far as the rates are concerned. So people should not get misguided. And moreover, I am making a categorical statement that आमच्या मतदारसंघान आमच्या ऑल कॉन्सिंग jetty, cold jetty, it will never come and cannot come. Yes, Sagarmala, there are about 9 jetties, whereby the 9 jetties are only passenger jetties. I have a DPR on that. And unnecessarily misguide करून लोकांचे misinform करून तांच्यांनी बेश्टो एक्झॅक्टली पयले कित्याक तांच्यांनी भुरग्यांक आपण युवा किंवा मिसगायड केल्ले आसा आनी आमचे मेन रस्ते ब्लॉक केले आसा बीजेपी विच इज नॉट करेक्ट. दिस इज टोटल मिसगायडन्स ऑफ द सो कॉल्ड लीडर्स हू आर ट्रायंग टू फूल द youth. Our youth are very smart, but somehow being vulnerable minds, people get fooled. Sometimes people get misguided, but people are smart. So they have done such a thing. And then I खूप phone call आले की तांकां phone मारून हे कर, get them take action. I said no, with the youth I will never ever interfere because they have been misguided. Only they should not block the roads and sort of get a confusion. That's only I told my PAs and the device me. So these are the things that are misguided. There is no cold jetty coming in Andhra Constitution, even in whole of Goa. The only passenger jetty, yes, funded by the Sagarmala. 50% they fund, 50% we are funding. But still that file has been kept in abeyance. But no cold jetty is going to come in mine. I will never allow it. For a cold jetty to come, first and foremost, the river should be notified, which is not. The barge is 80 meters, my jetty is just 17-18 meters. We need about 20,000 square meters behind. They are going now. And the problem is that the first January, we have to bridge काम चलते देना ते घातलेले. कित्याक लोकां म्हजे अप्रोच जाले सांगले सर आमकां खूब त्रास जाता आमकां ट्रॅव्हलिंग करपाक दल्लो खावचो पडटा एक्सिडेंट जावंक शकता आमकां कामाक लेट पावता म्हणून ती फायल घातलेली. सो ताजेर अननेसेसरली हांव फोन करतात 40 मारतात जित्यो 40 मारतात. फक्त आमच्या ऑपोजिशनाक मेल्ले मनशाक जिता करूंक शकना ते बाकीचे सगळे करता प्रयत्न ते एंड दे वील नेवर सक्सेस बिकॉज ZP इलेक्शन हॅज शोन व्हेरी क्लियरली आमच्या उत्तर गोंयान दक्षिण गोंयान रिजल्ट पडले आसा आनी लोकांक सगळी खबर आहा BJP इज अ पार्टी ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल. देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू. सगळे मी जॉब करता जॉब सगळ्यांक जॉब मेळोंक शकता सीएमान सांगलें आसा बट तेन्ना जॉब गिवन पूण सगळे म्हणल्यार जॉब म्हणजे नशीब सगळे जॉब मेळोंक ना. इनफॅक्ट जॉब डोंट गेट इज पॉझिटीव वायब्स इट गेट इज नेगेटीव वायब. पूण तरी आसतना आमच्या भुरग्यांक सांगला आमचे भुरगे बरे आहात आमचे यूथ इज व्हेरी पावरफूल हियर. आय हॅव टोल्ड द यूथ की तुमी मातशें ऑन युअर ओन कितें बिझनस करा. EDC इज फुली सपोर्टिंग यू ऑल. यू गेट लॉट ऑफ स्किम्स आर देर एक्सेप्ट टोबॅको एंड अल्कोहोल. ताजे अदरवायज सगळ्यांनी फॅसिलिटीज आसा कसले बिझनस करतले दे कॅन बी देअर ओन एंटरप्रिनरशीप वे इवन द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आय थिंक इज जस्ट 6% फॉर मेन. आमच्या दादल्यांक आनी बायल मनशांक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट दे गेट 50% रायट ऑफ आनी तांकां फक्त इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 4%. सो आमच्या बायल मनशांक फुडें सरचें आनी जाता तितलें आमी आमचे बिझनस करपाक आयज काल फ्युचर भायर ना. लोक सगळे भायर UK हांगा सगळे परत जाल्ले आसा. गल्फान तशें जालें आनी महामारी एक्चुअली भायल्या देशान ऑलरेडी लॉकडावन आयल्लें आसा लायक UK एंड बाकीचे इटली बी सगळे खूब फोर्स इवन हांगा अमेरिका खूब प्रॉब्लम जाल्ले आसा. बट गोवा एंड आमचो देश अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर एंड लिडरशीप ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर इज व्हेरी मच अंडर कंट्रोल. एंड आई वूड लायक टू टेल द पीपल प्लीज डू नॉट गेट मिसगायडेड बाय द ऑपोजिशन. हांव तुका स्ट्रेट सांगता आमचो ऑपोजिशन सांगता सगळे फोटी मारतात आनी लोकांक डिसेबल करतात एंड मिसगायड करतात. आय एम टेकिंग द ऑपोजिशन बिकॉज दॅट शुड नॉट हॅपन. दीस Definitely, it will be for all the constituencies. Our Honorable CM, Dr. Purna will ensure that all the constituencies will be taken care of. And definitely, I will make sure that whatever maximum works I can do, I'll definitely come and get along. And I have all the support of my Honorable Chief Minister and all the ministers in the cabinet. I have no issues. Even the MLAs, whatever, I have been getting my job done. And all of us can see it, what is happening. Only one thing is always said that we should, today we said that Aldona is the most beautiful village in the world. We are proud of it. It's come on the tour 2021 because we have lovely people in the constituency, so that's why it's the most beautiful village in the world. because they maintain, they ensure that our hills, our fields are there. They are beautiful conditions therefore. And that is very, very important. So that is what I'm looking at, and the people are very happy because now the support, now the more vice versa, and things are in very much in place.
Two of the votes are passed in assembly.
Yeah. What only technical sanction is there, and that day, the other, just about couple of days back, even so Babu Kolekar, Deputy Chief Minister, he has already made a mention. I only moved there, I went personally to Mr. Sikwera, and I got the whole thing done. Of course, the lady was the Odette, Mrs. Odette. She already given the technical sanction. Now it's gone for tendering. So Kolja Fort, which was promised in the first tenure, now I'm getting it done, and then it will happen in this tenure of mine. The work will start.
Any changes will take place at the fort, or you are
No, that is the archives and archaeology. You cannot do any changes. Whatever as per the guidelines, it comes under archaeology, they will maintain that. Yeah.
Improvement and widening of road with footpath and protection wall. तारीकडे ते मोयड्या मेरेन आयज आमी हे घेतलेली आहा पार्टी. सर हांव पयले सुवातेर आमचे मिनिस्टर PWD ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर दीपक पावसकर सर हांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ते आयज कांय कारणांक लागून पावले ना. तशेंच हांव आमचो लाडको आमदार आनी डायनेमीक MLA ऑनरेबल MLA ग्लेन सोसायटींतलो हेका मना काळजांच्यान देव बरें करूंक म्हणटा. कित्याक हे आयज एक मेन प्रोजेक्ट जेन्ना तुमी आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हेन फुडें भितर सरतले जाल्यार स्टार्टिंगूच तुमकां एक इम्प्रूवमेंट आनी आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कशें डेवलपमेंट जालां आनी कितें जालां तें तुमी एंट्रन्स मारतकूच तुमकां कळटलें. इतलें बरें काम हें फुटपाथ वायडनींग ऑफ रोड मागीर तो ट्रॅफीक आयलँडूय येवपाचें आसा. हेंच न्हू ओवरऑल काम आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमदारान केलां ही तोखणाय करचे सारकी आसा. आनी मागता की ह्यान फुडें तुमचो सपोर्ट दिवन आमदाराक आनीक डेवलपमेंट कामां करपाक तुमचो तेंको ह्यान फुडें दिवचो. हांव चडांत चड
वेंडर बसता पळय तांकां कितें करता तुमी शिफ्ट करपाचें
ना वेंडर हे आमी बसोवंक ना तांकां. हे लॉकडावन पिरियडीक तांकां बसोवंक दिल्ले पोट चलयता म्हणून ते तशेंच आसले. पूण तांकां आमी लायसन ना टॅक्स ना कांय दिना तांकां. तेंचे कांय आमी घेयना पंचायत. सो आमी तांकां तेंनी ऑबियसली तेंच्यांनी वचोंक जाय हांगासरले. सो आमी तांकां सांगलां जे गाडी आसा ते फाटीं वयतले. जे गाडी आसा पूण वेंडर्स हांगा बसोंक आनीक दिवचे ना.
कितें एक्शन घेतले?
म्हणजे आमी ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आहा. कित्याक पयलीं बरे भशेन आमी तांकां बसयल्ले. आमी तांकां कांय हे प्रॉब्लम करूंक नासले. सो आमी हे फुडें तांकां परमिशन दिवचें न्हय.